In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to recover a suspended Twitter or X account. Apart from Facebook, Twitter is a very famous application, actually. So we have a lot of people who think that they could scam others and earn money, or they could scam others to get something out of somebody through Twitter. So that is the main reason why these type of famous social media platforms come up with an algorithm to detect spam, scam, fraud, anything that is under violation of their terms and conditions. So you never know, you may be a person who hasn't done anything wrong, but you may have purchased a second-hand phone and that phone was into something incorrect or unethical. Or maybe you connected to a Wi-Fi network which is open. Anyone can connect. Twitter detected a lot of scammers in the past through that Wi-Fi network. So whatever may be the reason, if your account is banned by Twitter, you basically have only one option. What you need to do is pretty simple. Just open the Chrome browser on your laptop or your phone, I don't care. But after you do that, you just do a search for suspended Twitter account recovery. Here, click on the first link, help on your suspended account. You could go through all the suggestions out here in the help center for X, and then you scroll down a bit. You get a link out here, help unlocking your account. Click on this link, and then you basically have two options. You need to verify your account, and then you need to log in. But when you try to verify your account via phone or email, when you log in itself, you see a message telling you that your account is suspended. So you're not able to proceed further or do anything out there. In such a scenario, you need to contact support. Click on this link. Here, for the first option, you need to go ahead and select appeal a locked or suspended account. And then out here, you're going to be prompted to log into your Twitter account. Okay, so after you log in, you get that notification telling you your account is suspended. You should get an option to appeal the decision. Okay, you are just going to click on that link, or you're just going to go ahead and send in an appeal message to them, telling them that you are wanting to unban your account and you don't know why your account was banned in the first place and stuff like that. So please go ahead and help me unban my account. You send in a request like that and wait for 3 to 4 working days, and these guys are definitely going to respond to you. I hope this helps you get access to your X or Twitter account. If you need any assistance, I'm there to help you out. Send me an email, or you could even post a comment in the comment section below. Take care, my friend.